In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a private board in Monday.com. Whether you're managing a project solo or collaborating with a select team, setting up a private board ensures that only you and your chosen teammates have access to critical information. So let's dive right in. To get started, head over to the Monday.com homepage. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log in with your credentials. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see your workspace. Now, look for the option to add a new item to the workspace. This is usually found at the top or side of your screen, depending on your setup. Click on that to proceed. Once you've clicked to add a new item, you'll be presented with a list of options. Here, you'll want to select Board. Boards are the heart of organization on Monday.com, allowing you to track tasks, manage projects, and oversee activities with ease. Now that you've chosen to create a board, it's time to name it. Think of something descriptive that'll instantly remind you of the board's content. It could be as straightforward as marketing campaign ideas or something unique to your project. Once you've decided on the name, before you create it, look for a section or button that lets you set the board's visibility settings. This is crucial for creating a private board. Click on the option marked Private. Selecting this ensures that only people you specifically invite can view or edit the board, keeping your information confidential and secure. With the privacy settings locked in, it's time to finalize and create your board. Look for a button, usually positioned toward the bottom or top right of the creation window, that says Create Board. Go ahead and click that button. A brief moment later, your new private board will spring into existence. Congratulations, you've successfully created a private board on Monday.com. From this point, you can start adding tasks, columns, or whatever your project requires. Don't forget that while your board is now private, you can still invite individuals by sending invitations directly through the board's sharing options. This allows you to control the flow of information and ensures that the right members stay in the loop. With this easy setup, you can now manage your projects with control and confidence, knowing your critical data is only available to those you trust. Continue exploring Monday.com for more features that can enhance productivity and tailor your workspace to suit your unique workflow. I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to let us know if there are other features or setups you'd like us to explore in future videos. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new private board.